Hi, I'm Mitra Siaga, President of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica.
And hi, I'm Craig Powell, CEO of Intelligent and the conference organizer.
Today, we want to talk to you about an exciting opportunity for Jamaican businesses.
The Keys to LATAM Conference, unlocking the potential of the Latin American market.
This conference is designed as a multi-pronged approach to showcasing Jamaica and its businesses. We'll be flying out journalists from all over Latin America, from Mexico to Colombia, all the way down to Peru, to cover our products and explore why doing business in Jamaica is great.
They'll be covering our push here at the private sector into the LATAM market, as well as the speakers who are coming to discuss their own experiences in our market. The journalists will also cover activities from other sponsors that showcase why Jamaica is an awesome place to take a vacation.
We'll give the journalists a whirlwind tour of our executives, businesses, ports and hotels, all made possible by major sponsors and of course COPA's generous offer to airlift the speakers in.
This partnership is leveraged on so many fronts, benefiting all of us that are involved. The businesses, the sponsoring brand, and most importantly, Brand Jamaica.
We're inviting medium and large manufacturers, small to large specialty product makers, traders who want to learn about using the Panama Canal's airport services, and service providers looking to export to LATAM.
Even if you never thought of exporting before, this conference is a great opportunity to learn how. Don't let your competitors beat you to these massive markets, far larger and far richer than Jamaica is.
Just think about it. There are over 400 million people who speak Spanish and live in Central and South America. Colombia alone has 50 million people. Imagine what even a small fraction of that market could mean for your business.
If you can successfully bring your product or service to just one large city in Central America, you could potentially earn more money than if you were to sell to the entire Jamaican market. This is an opportunity to learn, network, and potentially grow your business by exploring the LATAM market.
Join us and let's work together to conquer new markets and elevate Jamaican craftsmanship to new heights.
Thank you for your time today. And remember, when Jamaican businesses export, all of us win.
Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your company's branding and marketing strategy. Register now and be a part of the Keys to LATAM Conference, unlocking the potential of the Latin American market.